Let's see how join works in Alteryx in this video. To use join function, we will have two input table. This is table 1 where we have postal area as the key. This is table 2 where we have range, and we will convert this range to the postal code, and then we will use the join function and to get the output, which should look something like this. Okay, so let's start building. Next we will recreate this table. We'll use text to column to split the join. So the column name is range, the delimiter over here is hyphen, and we need to split the column in two. Let's see how the output looks like. Run. So we have got two new column 1 and column 2. It is the split of column range here. Now the next step is to rename the column 1 and column 2, and then we will create one entry for each range from 2000 to 2019. Like we will have one row for 2000, another row for 2001, another row for 2002, likewise for each region till region 5. Okay, so first rename using the select tool. Rename this to start and rename this to end. Earlier we had this value as string because it was in range 2000 to 2019, if you will see here. Now it is in numeric format. So we will change this to numeric. Okay, and then we'll add row for each column. So let's add row from preparation, or add row or generate row. We'll connect select tool to the generate row tool. Okay, so I will rename the row count to area. It is numeric type, and the initial expression is start. Row count is again area less than or equals to end, and loop expression should be area. It should add one new row. That's why it is +1, incremental. Okay, and I will add browse tool again here to see the output. So this is how the output looks like. Start and area. Now we don't need start and end date because we have already used that in generate row tool. So again we will use select tool and we will remove the unwanted fields. Start and unknown, we don't need this field. Okay, now I'm not adding the browse tool over here because we know the output start and end will, we have removed start and end field. Okay, now let's bring in the join tool. Table 2 will be our right join, table 1 will be our left join. Now let's configure the join tool. In left join we have postal area, and in right join we have area, column that we created. How the joins look like. Now we have join table 1 and table 2. Okay, this how it looks like. We have got 2678 record, alright, and all the fields, 10 fields we have from table 1 and table 2. Obviously we have removed the start and end thing, so you will not see over here. We will use the summarize tool now to summarize it by region. This is a string value, is grouped by region, and then we will use sales representative. This is also string, let's group by, and then we will use a responder. This is also string, let's group by, and now we will take the customer ID. This is integer, so we can take the count of it. Okay, and let's add a browse tool. Let's run this. Final output is summarized by region. sales representative, responder, and the count. Let's clean the browse tool we have added before. This is how our final output looks like. Thank you. Please subscribe for more video on Alteryx.